Hey guys! For today's video, I will show you how to reset your Instagram Explorer page. Sometimes, while browsing on Instagram Explorer page or feed, you may see strange or irrelevant content. When you start seeing irrelevant content, it is a good sign that you need to reset your Instagram Explorer page. Then, Instagram will remove all of its collected data and will start showing content related to our newest searches and entries. So let's get started. So open your Instagram app. Tap on the menu icon at the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and select Security. Now, select Search History. Click on Clear All. At the top right corner, tap on Clear All again to confirm Done. This will delete all your Instagram history and the Instagram Explorer page will be reset. So there you have it. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe.